My goal is to help you sell your fire damaged house faster. I am so sorry to hear that you find yourself in this situation, because selling any property is hard, but selling a fire damaged house can be difficult. You will end up having to manage the expectations of your neighbours who would want you to restore the house quickly, as it has become a bit of an eyesore, having to deal with your insurance company and their loss assessor, who will try and drag out the payout for as long as possible, or worse, deny liability. Your neighbours will complain to the council's enforcement officers, who will harass and even threaten you with an enforcement action. The enforcement notice is against the property and not the owner, meaning that any new owner will be left with a hefty bill if the council decide to repair your roof or demolish the property at their inflated rates. If you like this video, then please do me the favour and hit the subscribe and like button. It helps the video reach more sellers like you.